Okay, so what are we looking at right now, Kurt?
So we have the cover off of the furnace, and we're looking for water dripping and any kind of signs of moisture that shouldn't be there.
Okay.
So this is a two-stage furnace, right, at high efficiency. So it takes heat out of the heat exchanger and also out of the exhaust. And then the exhaust condensation goes down to a drain over here. Typically you like to see, this one's draining into the basement floor, which works, but it's not particularly optimal because it's still putting moisture we don't want. We really want it to go outside the house. So that would be a little bit of a weakness. The other thing that can be a weakness in the long term is this little trap. And don't ask me how I figured this out, but these things will clog up with soot and silt a little bit and create a backflow of moisture in here, which causes the fan not to work properly. So I don't know why they put a trap there, but it's something to know about if you ever have moisture or bad fan issues in the furnace. So other than that, we have exhaust going out here and intake air just generally provided by the space. So we'll see if there's enough intake air. That's about that.
Okay.
And then the air conditioner air handlers up here. And that's about. Well, this one looks to be good. The flames are pretty nice. There's not a lot of, no moisture stains, no rust stains in here, so I'm not too worried about that. This is the most exciting part, putting the door back on.